Bring up. To mention something or to raise a child. Example, she brought up an interesting point during the discussion. Come across. To find or meet someone or something by chance. Example, I came across an old photo while cleaning the attic. Cut down. To reduce the amount of something. Example, he's trying to cut down on sugar to improve his health. Give away. To donate something or to reveal a secret. Example, she gave away her old clothes to charity. Put up with. To tolerate something or someone. Example, I don't know how she puts up with all the noise. Go over. To review or examine something carefully. Example, let's go over the plan one more time before the meeting. Come up with. To think of an idea or solution. Example, she came up with a brilliant plan to solve the problem. Look up. To search for information or to improve. Example, things are looking up for the company. Carry on. To continue doing something. Example, despite the noise, she carried on with her work. Figure out. To understand or solve something. Example, I'm trying to figure out how this machine works.